The NIGO x Nike collaboration is putting a fresh spin on the classic Air Force 3 low, bringing in inspirations from American workwear and Japanese craftsmanship. One standout colorway, dubbed the Oregon Edition, appears to pay homage to the University of Oregon, a school long connected with Nike. This version features green accents that nod to the Ducks' signature colors, blending sporty college vibes with the vintage early 80s style when the AF-3 first debuted. NIGO's design goes beyond just colors, including playful, nostalgic details reminiscent of college dorm rooms from that era, giving the shoe a unique story-driven feel. While US Nike SNKRS release information hasn't been announced yet, the Oregon colorway has already started appearing at international retailers like Foot District and BSTN. For fans of college-inspired kicks and classic Air Force silhouettes, this drop is shaping up to be a must-watch, merging heritage, storytelling, and signature NIGO style into one sleek low-top design.